Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli ki di mabana ki advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinjit kerpang ini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat ki jimpen na. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
All India Trinamool Congress AITC Meghalaya haka arfatrek jemang arajar arpuar kalayo banthau katratrikam jong North Shillong constituency yakabalatep kum All India Trinamool Congress North Shillong Block Committee bakantup yakakanhun trikam kisamla bat kilong kami hakani committee lajit yakakong Elgiva Kwinet Renja kum ka president jong kani ka committee nolor kiwaipat kinongkit kam haka jelang hawaindo committee hall yakibala penskam do vice president ka AITC Meghalaya ba James Lingdo
ngapen bana yakini paro nado ke blok nado ke mahila nado ke student body bat ke youth body lapan scam ni bi hakani kesni ka arhu pratrek umnai me 8000 arwai kublai shibot ekit tok kit reng bi paro nang train nang por na butta kane ke bhavamyat na butta kane ke party ke jogi kublai shibot
Lasaki lang yakani ke jelang daw Dr. Mukul Sangma no ilam ke AITC bat nong ilam ke liang persya yeng do bar thwain ke jela uba Charles Pongru president bat MLA ke parti dong thamai uba George Birundo MLA ke Umroi nolor ki wipan.
They wanted us to be part of the great story of Meghalaya. To be the part of the great story of Meghalaya, the story of progress and prosperity of Meghalaya. Where together we can fight against poverty, take poverty head on, and create an opportunity for all and make the gap between the haves and the have-nots narrower and narrower. That was a dream. And so the demand was so much from the parents. We want people to be part of this great story. All of you, all our friends from Meghalaya, let us be part of this great story of building our state, transforming our society, and there are too many things to be part of those activities which comes as part and parcel of our response to call of duty. And that's the reason why we wanted to give this new platform, All India Trinamool Congress. This is a new platform. That's why we have a young lady who aspires to utilize this platform with all your blessings. Miss Elgiva Rinja, that All India Trinamool Congress is the party which is going to reach out to all from all the nook and corners of the state. And today that's why I want to take this privilege and opportunity to all our friends from across the state and across the region that utilize this privilege and opportunity to step into politics, to be part of this great story of building the state and building the nation. We have to build a state. And this part, the honors of this responsibility must be shared by all of us. We must say that yes, we want to share these honors of responsibility. And that is the reason why I believe that all of you have been brought here together today by the grace of our gracious Almighty. Whatever years are ahead of me, I want to utilize it for being part of this great story of building this state, and in the process want to reach out to young people who want to be part of this story, new people who want to join politics. You know, there are many people, many friends who want to be part of this story. Many young men, many senior, veteran people who want to be in politics. But you know what happens? They say, but politics is so dirty. And politics is so expensive. It is not. It is not expensive, nor it is dirty. And you cannot get rid of politics. Politics থেকে আপনারা মুক্তি হয়া কোনোদিন বসবাস করতে পারবেন না। কেননা even if you are not actively involved in politics, whatever decision the politicians and policymakers take, it affects your life. If there is a bad politician and a bad policy decision taken by government, it affects everybody's life. There was a question, there was a debate. Why is there corruption? There are a number of reasons, multiple factors. And I must tell you one thing, that poverty is also one of the factors which contributes to corruption.